Alright, so write down, solve means find the value of the variable. Now what are variable? It can be x, y, a, whatever, etc. So for example, in A, what is the variable here? X. So I want to solve the value of x. I want to solve the value of x. Now, before we start, I want you all to understand the symbol. What symbol? I want you to understand the word equal. Okay? Understand the word equal. Now, when I have equal, do some drawing here. Do some drawing here. This equal means, I'm trying my best. What is this? A weighing scale. So can you draw your weighing scale here? Can you draw a weighing scale here? Start, everyone draw. So draw a weighing scale here. Now the equal means the pivoting point, right? Means a balance beam central point. Do you understand what you're doing? Oh, that's all. That's all. Not important. Oh, so before the start of lesson, all the things on the floor should be thrown. Unless someone clean, otherwise throw. Now, so back to the balancing beam. Back to the balancing beam. Now, if I put something here, example, I put a +2 here, what will happen? What will happen to the balance beam? That means I take 20 cents, I put here. What will happen? You will heavier. Is it equal? No. Orlando? Is it equal? No. So if I put a 20 cents here, what will happen? This one will be heavier, right? Now, how do I make it such that it will be balanced? Put another 20 cents where? The other side. Can follow? So, the equal sign here has a very important meaning. It means this thing here is equal to this number here. Whatever I do to the left hand side, I must do the same to the right hand side. So you are learning a new word here called LHS. So this thing here is called LHS. This thing here is called RHS. It's a short form of saying left and right.
Oh, left hand side, right?
Left hand side and right hand side. It's a short form. I'm just trying to tell you it's a left hand side and right hand side thing. So write that down. Left hand side and then right hand side. And you must be wondering, this is just a simple thing. Why are you telling me so many things here? Let me slowly explain. So all done? All done. Okay, next. I want to find solve. I want to say the word solve. So I want to find the value x. That means what you want is you want the x finally to be on one side and then the rest on the other side. Therefore, so your final answer. So maybe you want to write down. Your final answer must be something like x equal to a something. And I have to work all the way down. So write down final answer. Write down x equal to something. And this something usually is a number. Okay? This something usually is a number. Now follow the story. Later on I will let you all fly. I will let you all try out how to do. But first follow and deal with me, so I continue. I have 2x minus 5 equals to 9. I want x to be alone here. That means the rest I don't want. What do I want to get rid? I want to get rid of the 5, minus 5, I want to get rid of the plus 2. Can follow? Can, So I start. Now, so what's the first thing I do? I try 2x minus 5 equal 9. I want to get rid of the plus 5. Get rid means I want to form a zero term, zero pair. Still remember zero pair? Example 3, how to get rid of 3? Minus 3. For example, so you may want to write somewhere else, and then you recap on the. So let's recap. Recap on zero pair. That is in chapter 1. Copy this first on the top right hand corner. So we start. For example, 3. What is the zero pair for this? That means what must I do so that I will get a 0? Negative 3, right? So 3 minus 3 equals 0. So if I want to get rid of 3, very simple. What do? I do a minus 3. Why? Because it will be 0. Now let's try again. What happens if I have 4? Example, negative 4. If I have negative 4, what must I do so that I will get rid of this? Plus 4, right? So plus 4, and then magic, I have a 0. Get the idea? Get the idea? So let's go back. Let's go back to here. So don't listen, but copy at the same time, because I'm moving here and there and you need time to write down. I have a minus 5. If I want to get rid of the minus 5, what must I do? Plus 5. Can follow? But if I plus 5 here, is it still equal? Again, if I plus 5 here, that means I write 2x minus 5, I plus 5 here. Is it still equal to 9? No. This plus 5 is I purposely put it in. Then you see the beam here will be not balanced, right? How do I make it balanced? The other side also plus 5. Can follow? So the other side also plus 5. So this side also plus 5. Now I try to work out the value. What happens when I have minus 5 plus 5? 0. So you need to write? You need. So on the left hand side, what do I have left? What am I left with? Just 2x. So I'm left with 2x equal to press calculator. So this part here you press calculator.
So we know that 2 units is 4.
So yeah, so I want to go away from the 2 unit thing. The 2 unit thing is something we bring over from primary 6. But let's look at this again. So 2x equals to 14. At this point, who do understand? Okay, good. Now from here to here to here, this is 2x. Is it 2 plus x or 2 times x? 2 times x, right? So times x. How do I get rid of the 2? Is it minus 2 or is it divided by 2? Divided by 2. So let's try. Let's try. So now I will take this, divide by 2, and suddenly the beam here not balanced again. Because I did something extra on the left hand side. What must I do on the right hand side? Also must divide by 2. So if I divide by 2 both sides, you will get a balanced equation. You will get a balanced beam again. Suddenly they are equal. So what is 2x divided by 2? X. Because 2 and 2 will cancel. 2 and 2 will divide. Can follow? Follow. So this one will cancel, will divide, and then I will get the 1. And what is this? Again, press calculator. Then you get 7. Now what does 7 mean?
2 times 7. Oh.
Can I put it back in the equation? Can I? Let's try. What is 2 times 7?
14.
14. 14 minus 5? 9. Correct. I know it's correct. You understand? So I teach you how to check. How to check. So you write down. To check, you will write down 2, 7 minus 5 equal 9. Then correct. Can you write down the check at the bottom right hand corner of the box? So this is a complete story. You want to try the next one yourself, or you want me to do it together with you before you go? Try. Okay. So I pause the video here. You try. Okay. Now, C is still solving. That means I need to solve the x so that I get a number. Am I correct? So, I look at this. 2x plus 7. 3x plus 8. Do you agree that it's different from A? Yes. A because x is only on one side. Then this one, x is on both sides. Number is on both sides. So you need to, okay, I will write it down. You need to first group the x terms to one side. Now let's try. Group x term to one side. You want to copy it down. So it's not working, but at least you write down, then you know what you are doing. Let's try. I ask a question, you think, and then I ask someone to answer. Should I bring all the x to left hand side, or should I bring all the x to right hand side? Think.
Oh. To the right hand.
Yifei, what do you think? Left. Okay, left. Left means what? I want to move this to the other side. That means 3x. How do I move? How do I remove the 3x?
Plus.
3x plus 3x will give you 6x. Not removing. Minus 3x. Can follow? So this one bring over, or this one removing the 3x means I will minus 3x minus 3x. Can follow? So, again, this may say I want to group the x to the left hand side. So let's try and group the x to the left hand side. Let's group. How to group? 3x means I want to move the 3x to the left hand side. How do I move? I will need to minus 3x. Why? 3x minus 3x will give you what? 0. That means 3x is no more there. Can follow? But because I minus 3x here, what must I do here? Minus 3x. So I write down, and then you help me draw a line here so that we present two different working. So I write 2x plus 7 minus 3x, 3x plus 8 minus 3x. Okay, I'm doing it slowly. Later I tell you which one is the one you need to show in your working, which one you need. This one is no need to show one, but I will show it just to let you know, to let you see. What happens when 3x minus 3x? 0. Agree? What happens when 2x minus 3x? Negative x. How do I know? Press calculator. Everyone press 2 minus 3. Do you get minus 1? So when I solve this and this, I will have negative x plus 7. When I solve 3x minus 3x, the 3x disappear. Everyone follow? Who don't understand the minus x? Understand? Okay, next. How do I solve? I want x, right? I solve means I want x. Means what do I want to remove? What is bothering me here? The 7 plus 7. How do I remove the 7? Minus 7 on both sides? Yes, that's right. So I write minus 7, then minus 7 on this side. What do I need to do on the other side? Minus 7. So when I do a minus 7, what happened? 7 minus 7 give you? 0. Then I'm left with minus x. So I'm left with minus x equal 1. 2x minus 3x will give you this. The 7 don't get involved. The 7 is a number, it don't get involved. But 2x minus 3x, how I know it's minus x? Press calculator. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Then you get minus 1. Clear on this? Next, x minus x equals to 1. Not good enough. Because solving means I need to know what is x. I don't want what is minus x. How do I remove the minus 1? So then how do I remove the minus 1? There are two ways of doing it. One is I multiply by minus 1. One is I divide by minus 1. I explain. What happens when I have minus 1? What happens? Okay, so you want to write down maybe somewhere here. There's some space. What happens when I minus 1 times minus 1? Plus 1. Do you see that? Because that person, bad thing happened to him, suddenly it become good. Right? So this is minus 1. How do I make it a plus? I need to times a what? Negative 1. Do I times negative 2? No, because I want only 1, right? If I times negative 2, then here we have 2x. No, I don't want. I just want 1x. So over here, this one will be times negative 1. This one will be times negative 1. So what do you think x will be? What is 1 times negative 1? Negative 1. So I have negative 1. Because minus and minus will give you plus. Right? Then 1 and minus 1 will give you minus 1. Good person, bad thing happen, bad. Or I press calculator. Forget about good and bad. So 1 and minus 1 you press calculator, you get minus 1. Clear so far? Okay. So, but this thing here, so I write down. This thing here is I want to move x to left hand side. Can I move x to right hand side? Can I do that? So we try on the other side. Try on the other side. Same equation, but I want to remove the 2x. So what do I do? Actually, I want to remove the 2x. What must I do? What must I write so that I can remove the 2x? Minus 2x. If I minus 2x here, what must I do here? Minus 2x. So we try, we try. So on the other side, can you start another story? 2x plus 7 minus 2x, 3x plus 8 minus 2x. Esther, if I write something like that, so I zoom in to only right hand side, so it's easier for you to see. So Esther, if I write something like that, what happens when 2x minus 2x? 0. So left with what? 7. So I have 7. So I write down, this is 7. This is, what about this side? 3x minus 2x, what do I get? X. I just get 1x. Plus 8. Next, I want to find the 1x. I need to do something to some number. A bit. Which number must I handle? 8. What must I do so I can get rid of 8? 1, 2. Minus 8. So I minus 8 on one side. And what happens when I minus 8 on one side? I must also minus 8 on the other side. Later we talk about method. So 8 minus 8 will give you 0, just x. What is 7 minus 8? Negative 1. I zoom out again. Do you realize that left or right you will give you the same answer? Which one is better? This one seems better, right? This one seems better. I leave it to you. Both are correct. But you need to remember, I only want x, I don't want the negative x. So if I negative x, I need to do one more extra step. Okay? So let's same. No, same. Huh? What? Yeah, both are the answer. How? No. You only need to write one. Okay, now let's try. Let's try. Yeah, you can write this this, you can write this. Both is correct. Both is correct.
So the answer is x equals -1 or -1 equals x.
Whether x equals -1 equals x, they are the same thing.
So you say like x equals -1. I thought you said choose one.
Choose this or this.
Okay.
This is the same. Okay? But to make things simpler for you, we try and make x a positive one. So we choose side to make x a positive one. Now let's try. Let's try. Can I go on? Okay, I go on to D, then we try. Now, obviously, I can bring the 2x to the other side, or I can bring the negative 2x to this side, right? Now, which one is better? Should I bring the negative 2x to left, or should I bring the 2x to right? Left or right is better? Right, Move to the right, Okay, move to the right means here I must minus 2x, right? You get it? Here I must minus 2x again. Minus 2 will give me -4. I get a negative x. Not so good. Can follow? Then left will be better. Can follow? So I do left. What must I do if I want to remove the negative 2x? Plus 2x. So I will have a plus 2x here. So over here is plus 2x. Over here also plus 2x. Then I write down, what is 2x plus 2x? 4x minus 1. What happened to the minus 2x and plus 2x? 0. So Sixuan, I'm left with what? Did you say 1? 1, I'm left with 1. Okay, I'm left with something like that. So now you get the idea. I can either shift it here or there. It's your choice. But 1 will always be easier. What do you think I have to do next? Morgan? What do you think I have to do next? Remove which one? Remove the 1 or remove the negative 1? The 1. Remove the 1 means I need to minus 1. If I minus 1 here, 1 minus 1 will be 0. But over here will be minus 1 minus 1. But ultimately, what do I want? Ultimately, I want x equals to a something, right? I want x equals something. So do I want to touch the 1 or do I want to touch the negative 1? Negative 1. I want to remove the negative 1. Can follow? Can follow the story? So, Isabel, how do I remove the negative 1? Do I minus 1? Do I plus 1? Plus 1. So I plus 1 here. So I will do a plus 1, plus 1. So what is minus 1 plus 1? 0. And over here I'm left with just 4x. What is 1 plus 1? 2. So far can follow? Last step. I want to find x. Do I want to tackle the 4 or do I want to tackle the 2? Sixuan, do I want to tackle the 4? Do I want to do something to the 4 or do I want to do something to the 2? I want to get x. 4. So what do I do to the 4? Divide. So I divide by 4. So I try. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. 2 divided by 4, press calculator. And you'll get half. Or 0.5. Up to you. And you can hashtag. Anyone got question? No, If no, your homework today is just to complete this. And I will look at your homework on the 19th of April, which is 2 days from now, which is a Thursday. Any question? No. If no,